Hello everybody. I am really thankful for Dan and having the opportunity to work with Dan. Kind of new to all this funnel, online marketing funnel technology, and I just had struggled quite a bit in trying to build my recruiting funnel, particularly inside ClickFunnels, and I tried to work on it by myself, and I just could not get to where I wanted to get to. And I noticed that Dan was always available in the group. Either he's sharing something in the group to help people, or he actually created a member area where we could actually go and learn things from him because he has got more experience, I think a couple of years experience with ClickFunnels. And I've found his information. I found his knowledge base very, very helpful to me as a beginner. And not only that, but his generosity. A couple Saturdays ago, I was really stuck trying to build something inside ClickFunnels, and I Facebook messaged him for help. And Saturday afternoon, maybe around 1 or 2 o'clock, we started to message back and forth. He was assisting me. And not only that, but not just text, but he would record a video to explain what I was missing and send me the video. I tried to follow through it. I mean, this went on back and forth for about a 5 hour period on a Saturday afternoon. That's how generous he was with his time just to help me. And when I still could not understand what was going on inside ClickFunnels, guess what? He decided to get on a Zoom call with me and walk me through the setup of my funnel. And I was so grateful just to have that kind of partnership within the Hack MLM group, and the kind of partnership just working with a guy like Dan and his generosity. So he's a guy I highly recommend for sure. And if ever you want somebody who's knowledgeable, who's going to help you walk through ClickFunnels in particular, or just things about funnels that you might not be understanding, Dan is the man for sure, because he has been such a benefit. And I think I'll keep him right close so that as I continue on my journey in my MLM and my journey just in learning funnels, is a pillar in my journey. I'm thankful for you, Dan. All right, cool.